All right, so welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're gonna be going inside 7014 Gain Drive, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single level house built in 1964 with 1,488 square feet here in San Carlos neighborhood of San Diego, 92119. This particular house is in the Gage Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Pershing Middle and Patrick Henry High School. My name's Jesse Morrison, and I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'll go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share a little more about the community and what it's like living in San Carlos. But one thing before getting started, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can book a call directly on my calendar. That way, if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, now let's get into it. All right, this is the house. From the outside, you have these nice little steps coming up to the front yard and it'll make your way over to a nice little sitting area. That's a big, nice magnolia tree. You got a little courtyard out front here, 2-car garage out that direction. As we make our way through the entry here, I love how the overhang is here. You got, what's that called? Some sitting areas, nice new windows throughout. That is the garage, and you can see right there where I pointed out is the laundry vent. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick. It's just a 2-car garage, pretty standard. And the only way to get into the house from the garage is to come through the courtyard here and make your way through the front door. So going to the front entry, you're greeted with just, a nicely remodeled house. Tons of natural lights, big, bright, and open. This is the main family room, the main living room, I should say. Out that direction is the family room, dining room, and all that good stuff, which I'll show you in just a sec. Closing this door behind me. Sorry it's taking so long. So that's the front door. Look at all the big windows throughout the house. Brings in all the natural light. That is a wood-burning fireplace. Can lighting, just the bright colors, or light colors, I should say, makes it bright. This is your half bath. Over on that side is a bedroom, which I'll show you in just a few. Those quartz counters that carry on throughout the house, and the bathroom, which I'll show you. This is your dining area. Again, big, huge windows, bringing tons of natural light. Open to the kitchen. Lots of cabinetry here, and the drawers have that, soft closing mechanisms. And here's what you'd be looking at when you're at the kitchen, out to the side of the house. Love the wide sink. And these are quartz counters. When you open up the drawers, you got the Lazy Susans in the corners here for tons of storage. All these are brand new appliances. They convey with the house. I love how wide the kitchen is. You got a gas stove. It's vented up to that microwave above. I think this would be a good little spot for coffee, or right there. Tons of counter space. Little details here in the dishwasher. You got the buttons up above to keep them, kind of hidden. These floors are that luxury vinyl. Let's see here. Coming out this direction, I love the baseboards. They got the 5.5-inch baseboards. Recessed lighting throughout. Central heat and air. Let's go ahead and go this direction towards the bedrooms. So here's the first bedroom. You're going to see that all the bedrooms are carpeted, new carpeting throughout. This up here is, where we came in at the entry, the courtyard. So you got your closet, and here's that half bath I'll show you. This is the half bath that we saw at the beginning of as we walked in when you came right there. This would be a good little room because of that half bath for a home office or a guest room. Making our way over to the next couple bedrooms. This bedroom here, you can see again, all this natural light, big windows. This room isn't huge, but it's decent size. Again, you get the carpets in here, big hall closet for all your coats and your vacuum and all that good stuff. This room has those big windows as well, but it's much deeper than that one that we just came from. So actually it's quite a bit larger than the other one. After we look at this, we're gonna go into this bathroom. This bathroom is one that services the 2 rooms that we just came from. Notice the details in here. It's got a tub, and the tile work in here is really nicely done. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. Shampoo nook. I like the black fixtures. All right, this is the master. Okay, I love, again, you got big windows bringing lots of natural light. This is a queen size bed in this staging. Out to the side of the house is just a big side yard. It's very private. The closets in here are a little bit larger. Here's the master bathroom. Look at the details on the floors. And then the walk-in shower here has that same nice tile work. Black fixtures. I love the glass sliding doors. Right, this vanity, it's a single vanity, but there's plenty of counter space for, all your toiletries or toothbrushes and that kind of stuff. All right, so that's the master. As you walk out the master, you have this little linen closet here for all your towels and sheets and comforters and stuff like that. And then right behind me, this little closet is your new HVAC system. That's where that's located. And then we make our way back out to the main living room. Let's go out to the backyard. Again, these are brand new windows, nice heavy sliding glass door. And as you walk out to the backyard, you're immediately greeted with beautiful views out towards Cowles Mountain there. It's a nice windy day. But you got a nice pool, nice big covered patio. Pergola, it brings in a lot of natural light, but also provides some shade. This pool is deeper on this side. It gets shallow on that side. Check this out. So see how private everything is? There's no neighbors on any side of you that's looking into this backyard. So swimming out here is it's just a nice private experience. Over here you have a big gardening area, whether you want to do whatever kind of gardening you want to do. Over there you got a fireplace, a built-in fireplace. It's wood burning, so I'll just quickly walk past that. Make our way over here. Look at how big this yard space is. It's like a blank canvas, great for a playground, or you could put sod down here if you wanted to. And then look how wide this side yard is. Plenty of room for extra parking, RV. That's the house. Beautiful. Okay, thank you so much for touring 7014 Gain Drive with me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and share a little bit more about this community and what it's like living in San Carlos. The San Carlos neighborhood offers some pretty stunning views and easy access to Mission Trails Regional Park. Cowles Mountain, from what I hear, is San Diego's highest peak and provides amazing panoramas of the valley when you get to the top. The close proximity to San Diego State University allows for convenient commuting. Excellent public schools make San Carlos an ideal location for families. And Lake Murray, which is a popular destination, is within walking distance, offering opportunities for fishing and boating. The Mission Trails Regional Park has over 8,000 acres of rugged terrain for a ton of different outdoor activities. Rock climbing, camping, and hiking are some of the favorite pastimes among locals here. And there's a BMX park known as the Devil's Velodrome, which caters to off-road biking enthusiasts. Mission Trails Golf Course welcomes golfers of all skill levels. And San Carlos features several neighborhood parks and a recreational center for family-friendly activities. So if anyone you care about could benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using that share button below. Again, my name is Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, just use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar so we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.